Okay, good morning, friends. Last time we discussed about the chapter number 15, that is improvement in food resources. So, in this chapter, that is poultry farming. From we start from the poultry farming. Okay, so here in poultry farm, that is poultry farming is undertaken. That is we can be make for the main is egg production as well as for the chicken meat. Okay, so here to produce that is the different types of the species of the hens, okay, for the eggs as well as broiler for the meat. Now here in poultry farming, that is a cross breeding program is held between, that is SL and Leghorn. Okay, SL and Leghorn, that is indigenous, that is SL is indigenous. Okay, and that is Leghorn, that is exotic. It is a exotic. So here they are breed from variety of the improvement. Okay, are focus on the development of the new varieties. Now here there are some the advantages of this crossbreeding we can be used in poultry farming. That is number of chickens will be more produced as well as quality of the chickens. It is good compared to the previous one, and small size broiler will be obtained for its commercial purpose. In even high temperature in summer season also, it can be live. That is can be live it can be live with the high temperature, that is the summer adaptation capacity is more, that is tolerance at the high temperature. Okay, these are the acceptance. It accept the high temperature. Wait. Mhm. अब आया बेटा? Hello. Yes, I gonna. Okay. So here we discuss about the advantages of the, that is Leghorn and the SL crossbreeding. Okay, so here that first advantage is, that is number of chickens as well as quality of the chickens will be improvement. Then next one, that is small size broiler. Okay, it can be obtained for the commercial purpose for the chick production. In summer, that is summer season also, it can be accepted the high temperature. Okay, and maintenance, that is low maintenance is required. Okay, for this breeding, and the reduction of the size of the egg, that is utilized for the more fibrous and cheaper the diets. So here, so these are the advantages of the breeding between the Leghorn as well as the SL. Okay, these are the fall of the chickens. Okay, now next one, that is eggs and broiler production. How it can be eggs and broiler production in the poultry farming. So here broiler chicken, that is it gives the, from the chicken, that is vitamin A and vitamin K. Okay, vitamin A and vitamin K are the very resources of this broiler chicken. It is the good growth rate as better feed efficiency. That is care is to be taken to avoid the rate of the birth. Okay, नहीं होता. Okay. Hello, હવે આવે છે બેટા? Hello. Yes, I gonna. Okay. Very good. So here, that is we discuss about the egg and broiler production. So here broiler chicken, that is the from this chicken we can be obtain the vitamin A and vitamin K. These are the resources of these broiler chickens. Okay, for that we should take the care also, that is rate of birth will be decreasing. Okay, to maintain the feathering as well as the meat quality we have to be maintained. So for that we have to produce, that is broiler, and send to the market for the fish production. Okay, from poultry farming to different type of the shop, we have to reach such type of the hens. Okay, for the meat market. Okay, and for the good production of the poultry birds, that is poultry farm, that is good management practice, it is also important. Okay, because of that is to we have to maintain the temperature. Most of in summer seasons we have to maintain the temperature in most of the summer season, because there will be rich here, that is a microorganism, because then poultry farming, that is we have to prevention as well control the disease as well as pest we have to control in the poultry farming. So rate of birth, that is a rate of birth, it will be decreases. Okay, here daily requirement, that is for the broiler, that is protein rich and more fat is produced. Okay, vitamin A and vitamin K is kept high in the poultry feeds. So sometimes here, that is in poultry farm the hens, okay, that is from number of disease caused by the virus, bacteria, fungi, parasites, okay, as well as the nutritional deficiency, okay, occurred. And this necessity proper cleanliness, sanitization, and spraying the germicide at the regular interval. We have to decreases the disease in poultry farming. How it can be decreases? For the, that is for the virus, bacteria, fungi, parasite, okay, deficiency. So for that we have to necessitate proper cleanliness, sanitization, spraying the germicides at the regular intervals, appropriate giving the vaccination, okay, to the fowl or to the hen, and to this reduce the loss of poultry poultry during the outbreak of the disease. So such type of the step we should be take against such type of the poultry farm. And we it hello. Mhm. Wait. Mhm. Wait. Now, now came, beta. Hello. Yes, sir. आवाज है? Okay, very good. Hello. Now, now can you? Yes, sir. Can you listen me proper? Yes. Okay. Very good. So yeah. Okay. So here, we discuss about that is a poultry fall. Okay, they are suffering. Hens are suffering from number of the disease due to the virus, bacteria, fungi, parasite. Okay, as well as the nutritional deficiency. So here, for that, we can be used with type of steps should be taken against the poultry farm to decrease the type of the disease. Oh. Hello, hello, hello. આવે છે બેટા? આવે છે આવે બેટા? Now came? Okay. So here, now the next, that is fish production. We discuss about the fish production now. So in this fish, that is it is the cheapest source of the protein. Okay, main sources of the protein. Okay, in animal protein it is a, so that is a different type of the fish is available in the market, that is a shellfish as well as prawns, that is molluscus. Okay, these are the species of the fishes. Here in different, that is a natural resources, that is for the, as you know, that is capturing the fishing net. Okay, we can be used fishing with the help of the fishing nets. And that is another method, that is fish farming. Okay, fish farming. And another that we can be kept in rivers as well as ponds. So there are different type of the method to produce the fish. Okay, as we know, that is from the sea and ocean we can be produce a lots of fish. That is another, that is places we can be obtain that fish from the fish production in our farm. Okay, in our farm also we can be produce the fish. And another, that is water reserve like a pond, lake, river. Okay, and keep their fishing inside it, and we obtain the different type of the species of the fishes. Now first we take the marine animal, that is marine fisheries. Now here, as we know that the Indians, that is a marine fishery resources, that is 7,500 kilometers of coastline, as we know, deep area. Okay, that is a and in this, that is marine fish, that is a marine fish like different type of the that is where there is pomfret. Okay, pomfret, mackerel, tuna, that is sardines, and Bombay duck. So these are the species of the fishes. Okay, there is a marine fishes. It is a marine fishes. Okay, that is a pomfret, mackerel, tuna, sardines, and Bombay duck. So these are the marine fishes. Okay, and such type of the fishing, it can be catches with the help of the fishing nets. Okay, from the fishing boat, as we know that in ocean and sea. Okay, they are capturing with the help of the fishing nets. Okay, now here some marine animal, that is fishing, that is a high economic value, that is in sea water, that is mullets. Okay, fish like mullets, betki, and pearl spot. Okay, that is shellfish such as prawns. Okay, એને ગુજરાતીમાં ઝીંગા કહેવાય. Okay, so this figure, it is a ઝીંગા, એને ગુજરાતીમાં ઝીંગા કહેવાય, બાજુમાં દેખાય છે ને. Okay, freshwater and marine fish. Okay, so these are the prawns. Okay, the species of this that is mullets, betki, and pearl spot shellfish, that is prawns. Okay, and ગુજરાતીમાં ઝીંગા કહેવાય. Now mussels and oysters, as well as seaweeds. Oysters are also cultivated for the pearl they make. Okay, pearls એટલે મોતી મળે આમાં શું oyster. Oyster is a one type of the species of the fish, and from that we can be obtain the pearls. Okay, pearls મોતી મળે મોતી એમાંથી. So here, that is a marine fish stock that is further depleted, and demand for more fish can only be met by the such culture fisheries practice called mariculture. Okay, that is near the Porbandar. Okay, near Dwarka and Porbandar. That is a very marine culture, that is fisheries are developed near the Porbandar in Gujarat. Okay, as you know that. Now that is inland fisheries. We take it. Now, in inland fisheries, that is fresh water. Okay, freshwater resources include canals, ponds, this type of river water we can be collected. Okay, in our farm. Okay, so here, so there is sea water and fresh water mixed together also here, and capturing fishing is also done in such inland water bodies. Okay, and most of the fish production from these resources through the aquaculture. It is a aquaculture. Now sometimes fish culture, that is done combination in rice crop also, as we know that in rice crop there is lots of water is needed in our farm. So that is we have to border thick border around the, that is a crop, that is around the crop of the rice there will be, and fill the water completely filled with the water. Okay, so here that is two advantages for that rice. As we know that rice crop is very well developed with the help of the water, and as well as we keep them, that is a that is a breeding of the fishes also develop in such type of the farm. So very benefits with the help of this culture, that is inland fisheries. These are the most of the twice benefits to the farming. So it is a good advantages for the farming, rice crops as well as the fish production, both are advantages to the farmer. Now, another, that is a combination, that is five or six species is used in single fish pond. That is fish pond. Okay, in a pond or lake. Okay, that is combination. That is this type of species are selected so that they do not complete for food among them, having different types of the according to the food habits. The layer is different. Okay, in a, that is a pond. That is first layer, second layer, and third layer. Okay, so that is the first A. That is a catlas, and second one, that is silver carp. Okay, so this type of the fishes, it can be feeder, that is surface feeder. These are the surface feeder. They live on the surface of the pond or the lake. Now in the middle zone, okay, Rohus and grass carp. It is a Rohus, figure C and figure D. Figure C is Rohus, okay, and figure D is the grass carp. So, such type of the species in the middle zone, it can be obtained in the middle zone. Okay, it can be feeder of the middle zone feeder. These are, and the lower zone. Okay, so that is bottom feeder. These are the bottom feeder. That is E and F, that is mrigal, okay, and the common carp, okay, mrigal and common carp. So both are, that is the feed are bottom feedum. These are the bottom feedum. So again, I repeat, that is first, that is in a pond or the lake. Okay, so there are three layers, that is six type of the different species, five to six type of the species we kept inside the pond or the lake. So first two type of the species they can live, that is first type of the feeder and the surface of the feeder, that is catlas and the silver carp are the surface feeder. That is in middle zone, rohus and grass carp feed in the middle zone, while in the lower level, that is mrigal and common carp, okay, both are feed in bottom feeders. These are the bottom feeders. So here the major problem in the fish farming is lack of availability of the quality seeds. Okay, quality seeds does not produce to the farmer because lack of, that is these are the major problem, lack of availability of the good quality of the seeds. Now next we discuss about the beekeeping. Okay, so here, beekeeping, it is widely used for making the honey. We obtain the honey from the beekeeping. Okay, and farmers give, that is with the lowest investment for the beekeeping and obtain the good amount of the honey. Okay, and beside that is the byproduct, that is beehives. This also, that is it can be used for the source of the wax. Okay, and which is used different, that is medicinal preparation. Now there is a different variety, local varieties of the bee. That is ગુજરાતીમાં દેશી કહેવાય, ભમરિયું કહેવાય, ગુસ્સિયું કહેવાય. So here, that is commercial purpose of the honey production. That is main Apis cerana, indica. That is Indian bee, Apis dorsata, rock bee. Okay, Apis flori. These are the little bee. Okay, of the different types of the bee. That is varieties of the bees. These are the, and this is the variety that is commonly used for the commercial honey production. Okay, commercial honey production. Now that is Italian bees. Okay, have high honey collection capacity. Out of this, that is variety, Italian bees. Okay, have high honey collection capacity. Okay, so here for commercial purpose, that is bee farms. These are the bee farm. Figure A is the bee farm. It is also known as the apiaries. Apiaries. It is known as the apiaries. Okay, and beside that figure, that is honey extract. Honey is collected in this type of the vessels. Here, that is the value, that is quality of the honey depends upon the food or the flowers available to the besides of the farm. Okay, the flower sucks the, that is the flower ability to the bees. Now bees, with the help with this type of bees for the nectar and pollen collection, these bees are collection the pollen grains as well as the nectars with the help of the nectars and kept in a honey extractor farm. Okay, so this kind of the flowers available will determine the taste of the honey. So taste, it depends on the types of the flowers available beside there. Okay, so here, uh, hello.